Ho there. You're a dick. You're playing what for 4 hours? Or for 2 hours, Lucid? Why is it stars? I can only see stars, bro. Coughs is crazy. Not you flexing. Not you, not you setting your points high as shit. This guy. Decline said, Ho there. You're a dick. Thing. Damn, AOK knows how to gamble for sure. What the fuck? He's steady moving up the leaderboard. Smooth moves, man. Smooth moves. Yo, what's up, Viper? Good night, Mike. How you doing? Yo, motherfucking Viper. Morning. I'm doing good. We're feeling good. I'm well rested. I took a nap. I woke up. I was already updated. I was like, hell yeah. How are you? I think this is a bot lobby, Viper. No. I see real people. I just have this real body. It might look like I'm in a bot lobby, but there's real people in here, trust. Glad they're here doing good things. Let's go. Let me guess. Taco baguette. Taco baguette. Or not. Taco baguette. Yeah, wait, taco sandwich. Wait, no. Bread taco. Yeah? When's the last time you had? What was that in the update? Oh, the shoes. Look at my shoes. Look. If you get a bot lobby, it is finally hope for me to get one as well. There is hope for you to get one. Nah, this is real body, but this is real, trust. But look, we got the shoes on. Only for like a certain skins you can wear it. And this is one of them. I just so happen to have the skin.